today is going to be a fun one. Today we are going to pick up the next project for the channel. Sorry if the lighting's not good. It's early. I want to get there and get back because I got some other stuff going on this afternoon. I want to make the most of my day off in the middle of the week. So we got our coffee. We'll stop at Dunkin', full of fuel. Not sure if you can see that or not, but we are ready to go. It's not too far, a little under 2 hours to get there. So I will check back in when we get there. It's a car that I've done before, but you guys have not seen it yet. Seen me do one of these before, so the damage doesn't look too bad, but like I said, you never really know until you actually get to see it for yourself and look at it. I did buy it sight unseen, which not really optimal, but you got to do what you got to do. I can't buy cars from this place, from the state I live in, so I have to go to the neighboring state where it is open to the public. So yeah, so like I said, I will check in with you guys when we get there. Well guys, we made it. Only a little bit of traffic. We are all checked in, just waiting for the car to come out. There is a little bit of a line, as you can see out here. But as soon as one of those guys move, I will be stealing their spot because I'm kind of in the way. So we're just gonna hold tight here until it is our turn, and then we'll get it strapped down, and hopefully it kind of comes down a little bit and I can take my time and kind of walk around it. But if not, we'll do that when we get home. Hopefully it is a little cloudy and overcast. Hopefully the rain holds out. It is super humid, but hopefully the rain holds out so I'm not strapping this down in the rain or taking it off in the rain. But with that being said, I will catch you guys very soon when we get the car. So we're almost back home. Can you guess what it is based on the look in the mirror? I don't know how well it's going to show up, but put your guesses in the comments below what we've got. And we're almost home, so we'll take a look at it here momentarily. Alright guys, here she is. Let me know what you think. It's a 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. 4-door. It's got 135,000 miles on it. It's got front end and rear end damage. Rear end not too bad though. If I can find a red bumper, I'll change it. Didn't realize that until just now. We need a tail light. Didn't realize the hatch was hit right here. So we'll have to open that and see that there's nothing, see if there's anything underneath it. She is dirty, but other than that, two kind of light hits. I think the front bumper is savable. See if we can't find the little plastic inserts that go in there, and we need a grill, of course. Looks like we are going to need a hood, a upper radiator support, or a radiator support, depending on how many pieces it is. Currently trying to get the door open. Just like that, pull through. That's not a big deal, I can fix that. Other than that, everything else looks pretty good. Thankfully no water in this one. We'll just need a good cleaning. Need that piece in the back there. 134,000 miles on it. And I need that door panel. which it's all the same in the Passats and the Rabbit, or the Jettas and the Rabbits, so that should be pretty easy to find. And this is the big one right here, is this windshield is cracked. That was a bummer. I did not realize that until I got there, that it was cracked. But the wheels look good, the tires look to be in good shape. It doesn't appear to have any suspension damage. These tires are probably on their last leg, but that's okay. And our exhaust got a little crunched. But those are only minor things. Our crash bar is still good. We can find a new exhaust. There's a Rabbit at the junkyard that I'll be going to look at. If not later today, then it will be this weekend. But other than that, guys, what do you think? It's not too bad. I haven't got it running and started yet. I literally just pulled in the driveway. I'm going to try to get the hood open, check the oil and stuff before I try to start it, but I did put the key in it. And she is dead as a doornail, so we will see if we can't get it started. It also did come with a spare fob, and it looks like another key. But yeah, a good thorough clean, and this is going to be a real nice little car. It is from an insurance company, so that's good, from Allstate. But yeah, I don't think this is really, it's nuts and bolts. I don't think it's going to take too long. It's going to take me longer to find all the parts than it's going to take me to fix it. So let's see if we can't get under the hood. All right, guys. So here we go. We got it open. Looks like this could definitely be reused. Clips are not broken. They just popped out. So that's good. Hood obviously needs to be replaced, and probably more than likely replace this. Although it probably isn't too bad. Check the oil. There is oil. It did come with headlights I didn't show you, which the other one's in that box, but basically, as you can see there and down at the bottom, every tab is broken off of pretty much both headlights. Those are pretty much junk. Can't really use them. And the other thing that I wanted to look at was the airbags. None of the airbags blew. The seat belts are still good, so that's good. That means no airbag fixes on this car, which are not bad. I've done it before on the Fusion, but it saves a lot of headache not having to do that, so that's awesome. Yeah, so let's see if we can't get it fired up. Alright guys, there she is. She runs great, has cold AC, not a light on, but there is one thing, we'll have to get that vent over there that's broken. One thing that I am a little concerned about that we'll just have to figure out. We'll take some of this off and see how bad it is. You can see it's bulging right there. So we may have to do a little bit of an angle in here because we cannot get this to close properly because it's closed, and you can still see that the light is on saying that it's broken. So we just have that to figure out, but overall this thing runs great. So dodged a bullet there. The coolant looks good, no coolant leaks. I got looking in here and I can't see anywhere that's damaged as far as the radiator goes, so I'm not even going to replace that. I'm going to replace this without replacing that. So no, she runs great. Runs really well. It needs a good cleaning, but now let's get everything picked up and we'll start maybe dig into it a little bit. Alright guys, so what is the first step in getting a new project? Getting rid of all this filth. She needs a good cleaning. I want the stickers off. Actually, those don't really matter because I got to get in a windshield. We'll get this off, the writing, take all these stickers off. Everything's coming out. So she's just gonna needs a really good cleaning. So we are going to give it that before we start tearing into it. So let's get her washed. Just like that. She's moved up. I really need to get a better look into the damage we have down here, because you can see it. Rolling on that. Looks like these are bent underneath. I'm going to probably straighten all that out. Not that it's overly important, but we will make sure that this bumper has all the parts that it needs. Yeah, so let's get the washer. Alright guys, I have no idea when the GoPro fell off of where it was mounted, but I did a quick wash of it. Cleaned up pretty nice for the most part. We got a lot of that crap off the roof. Hold on 1 second. Let me kill the music. Avoid that copyright. But you see the roof cleaned up pretty well. We got a little bit of cleaning to do, but I just wanted to get the majority of it off. See what we're really working with here. But overall, it's pretty good. So on that note, that's the new car for the channel. We're going to be working on it here very, very soon. I plan on this weekend going and getting some parts at the junkyard. But for now, I want to start digging into it and see what it all is that we need and how it comes apart, so that I'm not breaking the parts at the junkyard. I'm breaking the parts that I don't need off of this car. So, that's going to do it for this video. So if you like what you see, please check out some of the other videos that I've made. Like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.